Behavioral predisposition like somebody, Kabir Singh or Arjun Reddy. Okay, let me explain what exactly is happening. Hey guys, good morning. It's not actually good morning, it's gonna be good afternoon very very soon. It's like 11:30 and I've been studying since 1.5 hour. Um, Today I am doing testing because I've been planning to film since a few days, but I was too engrossed in studying. This is like how the whole thing looks like. To be honest, I am starting everything from scratch, like I'm square one. The whole term, I just could not study anything at all. If you haven't watched the recap of Sem 6, please go watch it. That will that will help you understand कि क्यों पढ़ नहीं पाई मैं पूरा term. So I have 5 subjects, total 6 है, but one is practical exam, तो उसकी पढ़ाई हो गई है. We also had a prelim, उसका भी vlog है, so you can go check that out as well. I hate testing to the score, like that is one subject that I just I cannot wrap my head around. So I've been like pushing it and like मुझे करना ही नहीं है, पर कभी ना कभी तो करना पड़ेगा. So today is the day and I've already started studying. 3-4 pages पढ़ लिए है मैंने. So I'm making markings, I am making notes at times. Yeah, I guess I don't have anything to say, so we'll just move on to me studying. Hey guys, so it's the next day or like 2 days later, I guess. Anyway, the point is that the way I study these days is, let's say मैंने day 1 पे एक unit complete किया या फिर 3-4 topics complete किए. What I'll do is, वो होने के बाद I will not revise it until the next day या फिर 2 to 3 days after that. I will have a video call with my friend in the evening, preferably in the evening, because morning I'm very fresh, so I can actually learn new things. दोपहर को it's not possible because half the time I'm very sleepy and I prefer taking rest at times in the afternoon. So it's always in the evening, like 7 baje, 8 baje, maybe even after dinner, where we have video call and I will explain those topics to him. He would have done some topics that he will explain to me जो मैंने नहीं किए हैं. So I learn new things which I can read तभी के तभी थोड़ी देर बाद या फिर next day, something like that. So that's like really nice, where you explain or teach topics to somebody, and that's like the best way to revise things, because you have to like to explain to someone, you have to understand those points and those topics. तो जो भी आपने नहीं समझा होता है, you again read it and okay, हाँ, this is what it means, and then you will explain it. तो वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा पक्का हो जाता है. So try doing that like on video call, because I really don't want to like go out because my friend lives very far from my house. So that's not possible, but if it is possible for you, you can go to their place and sit together and study, or you can do it with a sibling or with a parent, whatever. Or you know what, अगर कोई नहीं हो ना, तो खुद को आईने में देखो और खुद को ही एक्सप्लेन करो. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो नाइस. सो या, ट्राई इट आउट.
A is artistic, E is enterprising, मिसाल का I विसरते नहीं है. S is social, R is realistic आणि C is conventional. I investigative. मला पाहिजे टाइप ए पर्सनॅलिटी अशी अशी असते. ए मी सँटियागो वाली म्हणणार आणि टाइप बी पर्सनॅलिटी एकदम रिलॅक्स आणि चिल असतात जॉन शुडियानी. So a trait presupposes a relatively enduring behavioral predisposition. Behavioral predisposition that somebody, Kabir Singh or Arjun Reddy, trait is agitated, I'm not agitated, aggressive. त्याला सगळ्या गोष्टी मध्ये राहतो. त्याचं in every state, in every situation, he behaves a certain in the same manner.
Hey guys, I've not been like filming that way, but I just wanted to come here and like show you some of my notes. So I'm only making notes for abnormal psychology because it's going to get very tedious and time about coming. Like I just have like 1.5 week left. So just the bunch of symptoms and then causes in like a few words, prevalence and onset, and maybe even treatment. Yeah, even treatment. This is personality disorders. Let's see if I continue doing it as I, because notes बनाने में बहुत time लगता है and it's difficult to sit at the end like one day before the exam with this big fat book and read everything or whatever you have marked to read that. So I prefer making notes just for abnormal. IO and counseling definitely a no-no because you have to just read and just understand what you're saying, what the textbook is saying, and you're done. Cognitive, they are like actually printouts. So उसके आजू बाजू में जगह होती है and then there are mostly studies and researches that have been conducted. So I prefer just reading that और मैं बाजू में ही उसका explanation short में एक दो sentences में वगैरह लिख देती हूँ. So I don't need to actually make notes for that. Testing, that's the shittiest subject in my opinion. Like I hate testing the most. The pen that I've been using is Uniclick gel. The thing is that I like the Pilot G2 whatever. It's actually an American company or something because I've seen a lot of YouTubers, study wale YouTubers, before all this Muji pen thingy came out. Everyone used to use this pen and I was very curious about it. So मैंने 3-4 साल पहले ये Amazon पे order किया. I ordered 2 and it's like for 100 or 120 or something because shipping वगैरह ज़्यादा पड़ता है. तो उसमें सिर्फ एक ही पेन बचा है and इसकी इंक यहाँ पे है. So I'm very scared to like use it a lot. So I wanted to find a dupe in India जो इतना expensive ना हो, and I found Uniclick. Still that one is a little better. It's smoother, I guess. I don't remember. And also the ink, the way it looks, I like that. So I'm planning to like use this pen for the exam as well because it's not like written, like physical papers check नहीं होते हैं. They are just scanned. They are put on the computer and then the teacher is looking at the computer screen and checking. That's what I've been told. So I'm gonna believe that. Also, I thought I'll just explain how I am like bifurcating everything because I think I just like film, study. I don't explain what I'm doing. Okay, let me explain what exactly is happening. The way I'm studying is that I'm not just taking one subject and one unit a day and trying to finish it because depending upon the subject, depending upon the topic, some topics interest me a lot more, so I can finish them. I can finish the whole unit in a day, like maybe abnormal, some topics of abnormal, like mood disorders or personality disorders. But there are some topics that I'm not that interested in. So those could be very difficult for me to finish in the whole day. So I like to switch things up. So like I said, I have 5 subjects, right? So what I would do is that two subjects are definitely very heavy, abnormal and cognitive. So I will take one heavy subject and I will mix it up with a lighter subject, which are counseling and IO. Testing is weird depending upon the unit, depending upon the topic, depends how easy or how confusing or how difficult the topic or the language is going to be. There are either of the ways I actually have an approach. So one is that I will start when I start early in the morning, like maybe 9:30ish or something. I will either start with a heavier topic or a difficult topic, a difficult subject, because I am fresher in the morning and I can retain better, I can push myself easier in the morning. And as the day goes down, it becomes very difficult for me to um, study, focus, or any of that. And then as the day progresses, so maybe in the afternoon I will take a easier topic because I get sleepy. If I'm sleepy, if I'm not, and if the topic is interesting, subah wala, I will just continue. And in the evening, like after 6 o'clock or after 7 o'clock, I will take up the easier topic. Second approach is, again, depends on my mood. I will start with an easier topic because I need to get into the momentum. I can feel that I am extremely bored. मुझे बिल्कुल भी पढ़ना नहीं है. So then to get me into the flow, to make me realize that, you know what, I can do this, I know, and I need to do this. No, इतना ज़्यादा पोर्शन मैंने ख़त्म कर दिया है. सी सो नो what, थोड़ा सा ही बचा है. We can push ourselves and I can take psychologically, motivate myself to actually finish the studying aspect. So those are the two approaches I use. So these are the approaches I've been using for this exam. I hope this helps, and I hope they would help you and you will be able to use them as well. Now, shorts are perfect. It feels also perfect. My exam is tomorrow. It starts tomorrow. And I don't have the hall ticket yet. 1:46. It's almost 4:30. I just went out to sleep without like telling you guys how much I'm done. I wasn't very sure कि exams होने वाले कि नहीं होने वाले. My timetable is out.